Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check in at a self-service kiosk for American Airlines at the airport. When you arrive at the airport, go to the check-in lobby area. Look around for the freestanding American Airlines kiosk screens. These machines are usually placed near the check-in counters. Once you find an available kiosk, walk up to the screen and get ready to begin the process. The first thing you will see on the screen is a welcome page. Tap the screen to continue. After that, the kiosk will ask you to select the language you speak. You will see several language options displayed on the screen. Choose the language you are most comfortable using. Next, the kiosk will ask you to identify your reservation. There are several ways to do this. You can scan your passport, scan a mobile boarding pass from your phone, scan a paper boarding pass if you already have one, or manually type in your 6-character confirmation code using the touchscreen keyboard. After that, enter your ticket number into the following field. You will see a keypad. Type the exact ticket number or letters and confirm. After entering your information, the kiosk will display your flight details and personal information. Carefully review everything on the screen to make sure it is correct. If something does not look right, ask an American Airlines staff member for help before continuing. If you have checked luggage, the kiosk will ask how many bags you want to check in. Select the correct number of bags. If there are baggage fees, you will be asked to pay them directly at the kiosk. Once everything is completed, the kiosk will print your luggage tags and your paper boarding pass. Attach the luggage tags to your bags and follow the airport signs to the bag drop area. Thanks for watching.